Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, and that means we're wrapping up for the week today. Here are the last two problems of the day. This is Wednesdays at the top of the screen, Thursdays today at the bottom of the screen. Up top, we were given a pattern 4, 16, 64, and 256. You needed to figure out the start value. You figure that out by going to the zero term, the previous term, to the left of the 4, even though it's not there. And you do that by dividing by that multiplier, which you should have seen was 4. 4 times 4, 16 times 4, and so forth. So our equation for that particular problem of the day, y equals 1 parentheses 4 to the x power. We could find any term in that sequence. And again, over here I have some notes. 4 is the first term. We need the zero term. Down below, Thursday's problem of the day. 16x to the 6th, y to the 8th, divided by 4xy to the 4th. That's a review from early in the year. Remember, we divide the 16 and the 4 and get the 4. We subtract our exponents. 6 minus 1 gives you the 5. 8 minus 4 gives you the 4. 4x to the 5th, y to the 4th. Remember, everything today will be due at 3 o'clock. I'll be checking at the end of the day for your completion. If you have questions, please email, and we'll talk about those questions you've got. Have a great Thursday.